that I've had is with my video recording only one half of the track of a stereo track. And I'm going to show you how to easily turn your one track stereo into a dual track stereo. So what we do first is you open Audacity, and then you take the file, your video file, and you dump it right into Audacity like so. And so what happens is it takes the audio from your video, and you see it right here, and you can see the one track is completely empty. So what we do is you pull down here and you split the stereo track, you hit the little X here and delete that track. So the next thing you want to do is select the one track that has the audio, go over here to edit, go duplicate, and now you have two versions of that audio. Then on the top one you put the down, you click the down arrow and create make stereo track. So this combines them together, and now you have a stereo track. So then what you want to do, well, I like to do this, you take effects and you can take it and do, I like to do normalize on it. And then you can take the file and export it, let's say as a WAV file. And here I'm saving it as the same name as the video in a WAV file in the same directory. And there you have it. Now if you see over here on the right, I have my video file and I have a new stereo audio file which I can add in my video processing software. Anyway, that's it. Thank you.